Hi, my name is Mr. Dale12311. I have a channel on YouTube, but we're going to talk about that later. Today we're going to do something big, bold, and redneck. Lawnmower football. Let's get a close-up on this here, cameraman. Cameraman. His name is Epic Bass Drop Miner.
What's up?
Oh, I guess that's all. I was gonna say numbers after that, but I realized there's no numbers after that. If you get really close up right here, we got a football.
NFL replica.
It's just a football. Now, if you back up, we got our two lawnmowers that we're gonna be doing this in. Hold on, what do we call the green one?
This is the Warthog.
What is the Warthog?
The Warthog is a Craftsman lawnmower. Don't know what year, and I have no idea what other numbers there are. So, we'll turn it over to your mower.
Alright, my mower is a some year that I can't figure out because I can really hard to research it when it doesn't have its hood. This is a Ford lawnmower. It's an old girl. Name's Rusty. Rusty's a good name for a girl. Dylan knows what I'm talking about, if he ever sees it. This thing is nice and old. Fastest mower on this farm. Blows this out of the water. We're gonna play some games. I don't know how with some. Can you set up that iPod somewhere? Mm-hmm. Like, you could set it up over there.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Let's walk over there. Should we? The lawnmowers sound pretty much the same. The more I think about it. This is our referee. Fluffy time. She's very scared of the camera. At least she has a clean butt. Now, what you're gonna have to do, because we're rednecks, you're gonna have to set it up on a Can I see that thing? Mm-hmm. Our redneck tripod is this ledge. So I'll just set it up. I hope that'll be good.
Let's see. Try and tilt it that way a little bit more. There we go.
But then isn't it pointing up that way?
True.
Alright, well.
Let's just go like right there. That's perfect.
Perf McGurr.
Oh, plug it down. You got in the way.
Now you're on camera.
Alright, you ready to do this, Mr. Dale12311?
Sure thing, Epic Bass Drop Miner. Take this fluff. Take it.
Baby, come back.
How are we gonna play? We're probably gonna play the rest.
We're gonna go. One person starts at one end, the other person at the other. We come together and we throw the footballs at each other.
Alright, you get the football first so you can just show me what we're doing.
Okay.
Alright. Rusty, you win!
I'll go on that end, you go on the other.
Alright. Take the ball. You might need it. And well, that, people, what we like to call lawnmower footballing. There are birds around here. Got 20% battery left.
I see that.
Should we do a roundabout on the tractors real quick?
Like first person view?
That is first person view. This is what I mean. Roundabout. So we had the Warthog, which was a good one. Then we had the good old Rusty, which also worked out pretty good. Epic Bass Drop Miner. Me. This is Dale12311. Please, favorite, like, subscribe. Right?
Mm-hmm. And
Let's get together, guys.
okay. And I'll see. We will see you guys in a future video. If I can stop.